Hey guys, so in this video guide, learn how to fix Fallout London won't launch or not launching error on PC. The first method suggested to fix the issue is by relaunching the game once. You need to close the game completely and make sure it's not running in the background. After that, again, log in to the game with your ID and check if the issue is resolved. Another step you can do is run game as administrator. If it's still not working, the third method is delete mods. When the mods are not properly installed, then it can lead to crashing issues, so it's important to check if there are a lot of mods used. If so, then you should delete them unless the game works again without crashing. Method 4 is to run Fallout London via force_loader as administrator. First, install buffout mod and then go to Fallout 4 folder. Find force_loader.exe file. Now, right-click on force_loader.exe, then choose Send to, then Desktop. Finally, right-tap on Desktop shortcut, then select Run as Administrator. Another step you can do is upgrade graphics card. Make sure your graphic drivers are updated so that you can get better performance in the game. Next step you can do is to verify integrity of game files. First, launch Steam Client, tap on Library, right-tap on Fallout London. Now choose Properties, go to Installed Files options. Here, choose Verify Integrity of Game Files options. Once done, wait for the process and then check the issue. Method 7 is run in Windows 8 compatibility mode. Another step you can do is allow Fallout London through firewall. Another method you can do is to update Windows. Then lastly, you can run game on dedicated graphics card. Choose high performance under graphics preference and save it. Finally, launch the game and check the issue. Method 12 is change virtual memory settings. First, search View Advanced System Settings and click on it. Then now click on Settings and Performance under Advanced tab. Then tap on Advanced and click on Change for Virtual Memory. And lastly, if anything doesn't work, simply reinstall Fallout London game.